You can earn up to $10 hourly working from home to make money online by watching this video. Just simply, I'm going to show you the website that you can just apply for work. If you want to work from home, if you have no money, if you have no jobs right now, this video is only for you. If just want to earn money online, just go on. And there are some requirements out there. This is not for everyone, but simply some people really need this, and they can turn this can change their life and earn money online with this method. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you the way you can just earn up to $10 per hour working with this method. With this website, the site I'm going to show is called accoladessupport.com. Yes, accoladessupport.com is a really good call center service providing and the provider that is really awesome. And this is a very old site working since 2001, and you can just go on to this website and you can just want to work as an call center agent. This is the way it is. So this is guys, if you have some qualifications of call center, or you want to work in this field, you have some good English pronunciations, you have some good headsets, you are 18 years and above, and you are an US citizens, obviously, then you are a really good fit for working with accoladessupport.com. So simply just go on to their career page. Here you can see that there are currently two open positions, and one is independent contractor outbound sales telemarketer and independent contractor customer service agents, and all are really good. If you just click on one of them, and you can see that this is really a remote based working with this website. You simply just go on to their websites and click on both of the links, and you can see that you can simply earn a really good commissions, and it's a remote work. You just simply go on, read all these requirements, and if you have some experience on call center, you can just simply fill this form, and it's just hit submit, and you are good to go to earn money online as a call center executive. You can earn like $7 to $10 per hour working here, and if you just have a good setup, quiet room, and a good headset and a phone, and you just live in USA, that is the only requirement for you to earn like $7 to $10 per hour from this website without any worries. So this is really good for many people in the USA right now, may need some work and may need some jobs. They can just go through this website and apply it, and they have some call center experience. That is a bonus, and you can just go on and earn a decent amount of money with this website. So I'm just recommending it. I just found it out, and so I just thought it should be good for my viewers, so I just told it in this video. You can just join it, you can work with, and you can earn a decent amount of money. So if you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.